Hello Flavour Chasers and welcome back to Flavour Station. We've got something a bit different today. I'm going to be reviewing my new induction hob. It's an Econulux REF 29174 in black. And boasting a lovely 4 cooking zones, baby. 6 kilowatts of power. All for 17,999. So I thought was a bargain. Now the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to do something simple. It's in the morning, I fancied it. I'm just going to cook some egg and beans. Nice simple things to kick off this hob. First thing I've ever cooked on it. As soon as I can open these beans, it has got good stats. It's got a locking feature. It's got a keep warm function. But we're going to time, see how quick. Because everyone says, oh, they're so fast. They boil water in seconds. We're going to time how long it takes to bubble these beans. Just get them nice and level on what I'm guessing is the right hob. We've got a copper bottom pan. Apparently that helps. Going to go straight up to 9. And let's see. 3 seconds. 4. Cutting it fine, baby. 7 seconds, 8, 10 seconds. Come on, beans. It's a good test. And where we got it, 17.84 seconds to boil beans. That is an absolute win. Absolutely smashed it. Induction wins that round 100%. That is incredible. I marvel at the speed of that. That is next level. So induction allegedly uses vibration instead of heat, so you get no residual heat. So it doesn't heat the room, it heats the food, it doesn't even heat the pan. It uses vibration to heat the contents of the pan. Well, here's where we find out how this is gonna work with a fried egg. The beans are over there on the keep warm function. I don't know how that works. I've got one hand, because my tripod broke. I'm just gonna crack these in anyhow. Put that up to 9. Hopefully, it doesn't get too hot. Bang that in there, and the shell, and burst the yolk, and leave a bit of shell in there. Ah, yes. No frills here. Next egg now. See, it's starting to go white around the edges. This is on number 9. I'm looking forward to seeing how the vibration works with the induction. They're on the keep warm setting still. Not overcooking. It just seems to be not even simmering, just warm. Yeah, you can sort of see. And turn that down a tad, just gently fry them. You can sort of see how the vibration is working. It doesn't seem to be a steady heat. It's kind of like heat, 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 heat. Like you can see the pattern of the woo, woo, woo. By the way, there's no sound to this whatsoever. There was a gentle buzz when I did the beans, but maybe the ring was too big or small, I don't know. Maybe I used the wrong ring. Cooking beautifully though. Now normally what you find with gas, these would start to go golden now around the edges. And they'd just overcook and you'd be splashing them frantically, but it's really good temperature control in the oil. Really good. Now they're fried, near enough. Bang that down to 6, and then just gonna spoon the oil over. I like my eggs over easy. Yeah, boy. Over easy. Perfect, mate. Lovely. I'm just gonna check it out, man. Bang it on the plate. Beans cooked really well, not overheated. That was just my breakfast. It was a weird one. Mad thing. Didn't make much mess in the pan. That's just a bit of black pepper. Now the cleaning. This is the main reason I wanted an induction. Taking all a gas stove apart is a nightmare. Use one of the missus's lovely, fresh, clean, new tea towels. She's gonna kill me when she sees this, you know. Little bit of elbow grease. Not physically, I mean the chemical elbow grease. And yeah. Look forward to seeing how it cleans up when something's boiled over, but yeah. All in all, induction wins, baby. Induction smashed it, to be fair. Wicked. Thank you very much for watching, Flavour Chasers. Hit that to watch another video. Hit that to watch another video. Subscribe down there. No messing. Peace.